Welcome to my channel. Today's topic difference between speed velocity and second one is your acceleration. First, speed velocity. What is the main difference between speed and velocity? First one, definition of both speed. Speed is the distance traveled per unit time. Whereas velocity is your displacement per time. Speed is your distance per unit time, whereas velocity is your displacement per time. Second thing, important thing is your distance. Speed is a scalar quantity. Whereas velocity is your vector quantity. Speed is a scalar quantity, whereas velocity is a vector quantity. Third one, speed never be zero, always positive. Speed always positive, whereas velocity may positive, negative and zeros. Velocity may positive, negative and zero. Then SI unit, same, both having same SI unit. SI unit of speed is meter per second. Similarly, SI unit of velocity is meter per second. We can write V equal to formula mathematically represented as V equal to S by T. Here V vector, since it is a vector quantity, so we must put arrowhead over it. V vector equal to displacement by time. These are the main differences between speed and velocity. Next topic is your acceleration. Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. Acceleration is rate of change of velocity. That means change in velocity per unit time. Acceleration is your, we can write rate of change of velocity. That is, acceleration is a vector quantity represented by a vector. Acceleration is your vector quantity represented by a vector, and we can write a vector equal to change in velocity per unit time. Change in velocity per unit time. Mathematically, we can write a is equal to v minus u by t. We can write mathematically v minus u by t, where v is your final velocity, then u initial velocity, t time taken, t is equal to time taken. Then next topic is your SI unit of acceleration. SI unit of acceleration is since change in velocity per time, so meter per second square. SI unit is meter per second square. Similarly, smaller unit, that is CGS unit. CGS unit of acceleration is centimeter per second square. Similarly, we can use other unit also. Other unit is kilometer per hour square. We can use kilometer per hour square also. Okay. Next we can see types of acceleration. Again, acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. We can write denoted as a vector, since it is a vector quantity, so we can write a arrowhead over it. So a equal to change in velocity by time. Student make mistake here. Change only velocity by time, not velocity by time, but it is change in velocity per unit time. So you can write a equal to v minus u by t, where v is your final velocity, u is your initial velocity, t time taken. Then SI unit of acceleration is meter per second square. This is your SI unit, system international or international system of unit. Second one is a smaller unit, that is CGS unit. CGS unit of acceleration is centimeter per second square, and we can use other units also, that is kilometer per hour square. Next our topic is types of acceleration. Next we see different types of acceleration, and we know, as you know, acceleration are of two types: positive acceleration, negative acceleration. Acceleration are of two types: positive acceleration, negative acceleration. Second one is your negative acceleration. What is positive acceleration? What is positive acceleration? If the velocity of an object changes, if the velocity of an object increases with time. In case of positive acceleration, velocity increases with time. Velocity increases with time in the same direction. Velocity increases with time. For example, a car moving from rest. A car moving from rest, u is equal to 0 to, suppose a car moving from rest to u, final velocity became v. Final velocity became v after some time t. After some time t, then we can say the acceleration is positive acceleration. Next one is your negative acceleration. In negative acceleration, velocity decreases. Velocity decreases. For example, suppose bus moving on a crowded road. Bus moving on a crowded road. In this case, the velocity of the bus decreases gradually. Similarly, the bus or train entering into the platform or leaving the platform. In this case also the velocity decreases and increases. Or we can say while a bus entering into the bus stop, then in the case of negative, in this case velocity decreases. So acceleration also decreases or negative. While bus leaving a bus stop, then its velocity gradually increases. So we can say that it is accelerated, or the acceleration is positive acceleration. In the next topic, we will discuss about some problem based on acceleration, speed, and velocity in our next video.